Hey guys, I'm Marta Geek. In this video I have an unboxing and hands-on look of the latest wireless charger duo from Samsung. Now keep in mind this was actually announced and released the same day that the Galaxy Note 9 was, but it was back ordered and it comes in black and white, and normally it goes for $120. Now keep in mind this was part of my bundle that I got when I purchased the Galaxy Note 9. I actually got this and I got the Dex pad for free with the purchase of the Galaxy Note 9, plus I'm also getting the AKG headphones that I chose as my free gift. So that's a pretty freaking good deal. But if you're gonna buy this, it's actually $120. Now it is really different because this time around, like you see, there's dual. It has two charging pads. Here you got a phone, two phone to charge, and you got a phone and a smartwatch. Over here it actually includes the fast charge wall charger and the USB-C cable. That's awesome. One thing that I'm a little bit concerned, it says pad charging also supports charging for Gear S3 or later. This right here that I have is actually the Gear S2, so I don't know if it's actually going to be compatible with my smartwatch. Another cool feature that I really didn't know, it says that it has a built-in fan and ventilation to keep phone cool while fast charging. That is pretty cool. I was not expecting that. But let's go ahead and unbox this for the first time here. And I'm pretty sure that a lot of people are actually interested in this. And even if you don't have a Samsung phone, keep in mind, this is compatible with every Qi charging phone. So if you like the way this looks and you have an iPhone 10 or any of the latest iPhones that can actually wireless charge, guess what? This thing right here is actually going to be also compatible with your iPhone 10 or any iPhone that actually charges, and of course any other Android that actually charges via wireless charger. Here most likely you have the wireless charging block with the cables. Let's see, you got a quick start guide, and oh crap, wow, this is a huge one. Look at this, holy Moses, this is way bigger than the one that comes with the phone. So you got adaptive fast charging right there, and of course you got USB-C cable, and basically that's it. And right here, okay, let's gonna take this out. Very easy, simple packaging there. Here you got that, and make sure you actually take out the plastic before you start charging, because I don't know, there could be some melting if you don't take this out. Okay, finally took away the plastic from there, and there it is. This is how it actually looks. It says fast charge right here. It says fast charge right there, which is awesome. I like the fact that it has a nice angle there. So that means you can actually charge and watch videos at the same time, or you can put it like this as well and it should start charging. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and plug it in right now. Okay, so before I plug it in, let's go ahead and take a look here in the back side. It has the Samsung logo right there. Looks pretty cool, and it has some ventilation there, and it has also some ventilation here, and it has some little specs there if you want to read right there. That's it. And of course ventilation here, and other than that you got the USB-C port there. So this is already powered to the wall, and like you see there, there's a couple LED lights turning on. Let's go and see that again. So we can actually see that again there. Okay, there you go. Red, then green, then red, and that's it. So I guess now it should be ready to charge. Just going to put the phone like this. Is it upside down? No, it's not upside down. There you go. So it is fast charging the phone, which says right there. And if you put it like this as well, which is great to watch videos, it also charges. And keep in mind, it actually has a case on it, so it doesn't matter if it has a case or not, it will always charge the phone perfectly good. Look at that. That is awesome. And keep in mind, like I said again, this is also compatible with the iPhone 10s as well. So this right here is actually the Gear S2 Classic, and it does has wireless charging, but for some reason it actually says that it only charges Gear S3 and above. So let's see if it actually charges right here. Even though yes, the watch should work because it has Qi charging as well. And like you see right there, it's actually charging. is actually charging right there. Now it has a red blinking light, and I just checked the menu, and it actually says that if it has a red blinking light, that means that it's not charging properly. Now, I don't know if that is actually prevent the watch from charging correctly, but yes, this right here means that it's not charging properly. Now, that's a bummer because that right here is a wireless charging smartwatch, you know. So that right there is a bummer, but like you see right there, it actually does recognizes it and it starts charging. You see there, it actually starts charging, but right here is actually telling me that it has an error. It's not charging correctly. Now that's a huge bummer. Now, of course, like if I put the smartphone there, it's actually going to start charging. The light is red and not blinking solid. That means that it's actually charging correctly. When it's totally green, that means that it's totally charged. And when you connect the power to the pad, everything starts flashing. That means that it is actually connected to the power. Other than that, that's what those lights actually mean, which is a bummer because I was hoping this would actually charge correctly. So I'm gonna have to actually keep trying it and see if it actually charges this smartwatch completely, or if it just keeps draining. So if anything, I'll just leave the update in my descriptions. That way, if you have one of these watches or older, you have your questions answered there. So other than that, guys, like I said before, this charging duo is actually available for $120. It comes in black and white. I got it late because I got the white one, and the white one actually took longer to get out of back order, but also, of course, it's compatible with iOS as well. So if you have a iOS phone that actually has fast charging, or any Android smartphone out there that has wireless charging, this is going to be compatible for your smartphone as well. And of course, any smartwatch that has Qi charging, it should be also compatible here as well. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I'll leave links in the descriptions for this. That way, if you're interested in it, or you want to read a little bit more about this wireless charging, you can read it from there. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Till next time, let me know what you think about these wireless dual chargers.